made an impulse purchase yesterday. Walmart is where this one came from. They were on sale. So I bought 2 of them. I'll do the other one another time. So I'm going to do the best I can doing this one-handed with these crazy new nails. So here we go. Mini Fashion Series 2. What? Recycle plastic. 0. So I did pre-open these because it takes a lot for me, even without these nails. So here's the collector side. It's a lot bigger than the last series. So, and then you get one purse, and accessories, and sticker usually. Oh my god. You guys are think I'm crazy. I've never seen those suitcases. More accessories. And some kind of makeup. So here we go. Let's do the reverse order. So we got 1, 2 bags. With stuff in it. I guess these would be accessories. This is the purse. I have this one. Ooh, duplicate. That's cute. My sticker is cute Louboutin style backpack. I got crazy headphones. They're so big. I got a puppy dog. Cute. And I got little sunglasses. Huh. Now I want to open the other one. I don't know why I do this. I'm ridiculous.